Hi, welcome to Bocce's Corner. I'm Barb, and we're in Bocce's kitchen, my kitchen. I just got off of work about 45 minutes ago and thought I'd bring you along. I have to make breakfast for tomorrow. I am going into the office tomorrow. I like to eat a little something, so I thought I would do a little meal prepping for at least a couple of days during this pantry challenge because I typically don't eat breakfast. I usually snack on some couple of hard boiled eggs. And I usually keep that in my refrigerator, and I'll have that while I'm working from home. Um, but being the case that I am going into the office tomorrow, I'm gonna make a couple of breakfasts, and I'm gonna be using things out of my pantry. I've got my quick rolling oats. I've got my cinnamon, my peach flavored honey, um, sweetener. I got milk. I use milk. I buy milk in these cartons, in these containers. Um, being it's just me, I can't see buying a half a gallon of milk, or it's just easier to deal with these. And I've got some walnuts and my vanilla extract. So I'm gonna make some overnight oats that I can bring in and microwave when I'm in the office. So let's get to it. So what I have here, I'm going to start, this is very easy. I am going to start with a half a cup of rolled oats. And this is a quarter cup measure. I hope you can see what I'm trying not to block the camera. I'm learning the hard way. So that's a half a cup. I figured I'd make two, because I still have a couple of boiled eggs in the refrigerator that I need to finish up. There we go. So I need 3/4 of a cup of milk. So I am going to come around to get the milk, so I'm not reaching across the camera. See, I'm back. Back again. So it's a half a cup of rolled oats to 3/4 of a cup of milk. That second one didn't quite make it to the top, so there we go. Okay, so I'm going to come around the other side, because now I'm going to add a tablespoon of honey into each one. But first I want to spray my tablespoon. I don't want the honey to stick. I'll do that one first. Geez, it's slow as honey. I was going to say slow as molasses, but it's not molasses, it's honey. There we go. Almost used up the entire thing. All right. got a tablespoon of honey in there. Going to use some of my vanilla extract. This one I made with Jim Beam instead of vodka. I like the flavor better. A little boop, boop. There we go. Just a little boop. And my sweetener. This was the last pack I had in a box, so I just got rid of an entire empty box. I didn't realize I had a box sitting in the cabinet with one pack of sugar or sweetener in it. These are all the ones that I hold on to when I get coffees, and they tend to give you handfuls of sweeteners. Well, I just keep them and I put them in a Ziploc bag. And let's see. Oh, cinnamon. That would be nice. Cinnamon. So I'm going to use a teaspoon. And 1 teaspoon. Oh. I would like some walnuts. I think that will add some good protein. I actually want to measure out. Hang on a second. I'm going to get my scale. Okay, let me measure out 1 ounce. I'm going to do a ½ an ounce for each container. There we go. Exactly 1 ounce. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. Now let's hope I didn't mess things up by doing that. So I'm going to go around to the other side again, because I need my knife. I need my knife. I just want to chop these up just a little bit. I'm going slow because I don't want to see them go flying anywhere. There we go. Close enough. See, a quick, just making sure I didn't forget anything, a quick breakfast prep for a couple of days. Especially it being after New Year's. We only have a 4-day work week, so I'll be right back. So here is my breakfast prep for the rest of the week. I did have 4 hard-boiled eggs in here. that I actually videotaped how I microwave hard-boiled eggs. So there's 2 left here. I had 2 today, and I've got Wednesday's breakfast tomorrow for the office. I'll probably have this Thursday and finish it off with Friday. So this is part of my 3 Rivers Pantry Challenge, where I do not go to the store and buy anything, but use up what I have in my pantry, freezers, refrigerators, or whatnot. And of course, there's Lucy. She's got to always shake. So thank you for coming back to Bocce's Corner, and I hope to see you soon.